So using synonyms is important to make your language sound not so basic. And when you say the word bad a lot of times, or good, or interesting, and you say it repeatedly, your language starts sounding really basic and you sound like an A2 or even A1 English learner. So how to correct that? You need to know synonyms for the words. I had a video about the word good and the synonyms for that word. Now let's talk about the word bad. So one of the synonyms for the word bad is poor. You can say it in all cases, but in some cases it's even better than saying bad. For example, these shoes are of bad quality. You can say these shoes are of poor quality. Or there is a word disappointing. The last English lesson was really bad. You can say the last English lesson was disappointing. Means you didn't learn anything. Or you can also use awful. I drank too much yesterday and I'm feeling bad. I drank too much yesterday and I'm feeling awful. You can feel this vibe, right? It really gives you the emotion. Or dreadful. I have just heard the bad news. I have just heard the dreadful news. Well, maybe this is a little over-exaggerated. We're just making examples. Then there is the word horrible. This new dish in the restaurant tastes bad. Or you can say, this new dish in the restaurant tastes horrible. Now you understand that you don't recommend ordering this dish to anyone else. You can also say disaster, which is a noun, but it still can be used as a synonym for the word bad. Like, my day was bad. My day was a disaster. You can use in some cases. Then miserable. My dancing skills are so bad. You can substitute the word bad here to miserable. My dancing skills are so miserable. And unbearable, which partially also means bad. Unbearable. The weather here is bad. It's so hot. You can say the weather here is unbearable. It's so hot. When you use synonyms that you don't really know the meaning of, be careful, because not all synonyms of the word bad can be used in all the situations. For example, you can say a poor quality, but saying unbearable quality, it's a little bit too much. Or you can have miserable or poor dancing skills, but having dreadful dancing skills, that's a bit over-exaggerated.